Hi everybody, this is Gwen. Today is Tuesday, May the 15th. Trying to get everything organized. Vicky's coming in tomorrow for the meet and greet, so I'm picking her up at the airport and we're checking into Bally's for 6 nights. I have a whole carload full of stuff. I already called Bally's. I can go drop my stuff off at the bell desk before I even pick her up from the airport, because I'm bringing stuff for other people, not just our cooler, but other stuff. So I just want to say that I got my hair trimmed the other day, and I thought I'm going to get my nails done because I never do that. I've had one manicure ever. So first place didn't have any openings, so I went to the second place by my house. And I got the French manicure. The gel manicure, so it's supposed to last like 3 weeks compared to the regular one that lasts like a couple days. So I want to have nice nails because my nails suck. They've always sucked. They split, they crack. Blech. So I have nice nails now, so I'm so excited. I had to share that. I have a couple more places to go before I can get home and finish packing, which is a total disaster because I have so much and I'm bringing so much for people. My roommates, Vicky's journey and Kara's journey. So I just have a lab appointment to check my blood thinner level. That's probably going to get screwed up if I have a couple drinks anyway, but I need to know what it is before I head down there for a week. So I hope everybody is having a good last couple days of work if you have to work. If today's your last day of work, woohoo! Get your asses to Vegas. I'm ready for this meet and greet. We're going to have a blast. I can't wait to see all my girls and Doug, aka Rascal, our rascally rabbit. So that's really all I have to say. I hope everybody has a safe trip and makes it here safely. Come out not tomorrow, sorry, Thursday night for Vicky Journey's birthday party. It's going to be a blast, and then we'll do our festivities for the meet and greet, and then the bull riding hopefully Friday night after that. And I'm going to the Billboard Music Awards on Sunday. Me and Kara, Janine, and another lady, I know her name, but I can't think of it right now. Us 4 are going. So we're very, very excited because Usher is performing and I get to wear my Usher ring again. So anyway, I'm just babbling. I'm in the car. I just got done with my nails and I'm excited. So that's all I got to say. I will see you guys, some of you tomorrow and some starting Thursday and Friday. So I'm looking forward to it. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.